A state of New York Supreme Court judge now says a discrimination lawsuit against the town of Southport can move forward. This after the town asked the court to throw it out, and the court said no. The lawsuit accuses Southport officials of refusing to approve a business permit because the owners are gay men. Our 18 News reporter Nick Dabina is here with an update. Nick, good evening.
Jackie, Charlie, Todd, and Glenn Miller are the co-owners of Chamberlain Acres Garden Center and Florist, which is also the only year-round farmers market in Chemung County. For more than 3 years now, they say they've been tangled up in a nightmare with the town of Southport. The problem started in 2019 when they applied to build a pole barn next to a greenhouse already on the property. The project would include a new bathroom as well as new sewer, electric, and gas lines. The men also took out a $125,000 loan for the project. But nearly 2 years later, they sued the town. They say the town officials changed the rules to stop them and refused to approve the project. They claim the town is treating them differently because of their sexual orientation. Now, when the state Supreme Court judge refused to toss out their lawsuit, he also changed it. The judge ruled the Town of Southport Planning Board should also be added to the lawsuit.
You know, it's still really emotional because, like I said, for the first 3 years, it's been me trying to explain and run my mouth and having my friends and family go, oh, you know, is this ever going to end? So finally, to really have the very first person after 3 years to stand up and actually say something regarding the case is how do you describe? I mean, I just want answers.
Now, we reached out to the town officials involved in this case. Town Supervisor Joe Roman told us, quote, the town is not able to provide an interview or comment at this time due to current litigation. Deputy Town Supervisor Kathy Serzin told us, due to the current litigation, I am unable to comment. Code Enforcement Officer Peter Rocky said, quote, I am not allowed to talk with the media on this subject. Now, I also reached out to Town Attorney Leslie Connolly, but have not heard back. One final note, Jackie. Dan Hurley, the owner of Bradley Farms, sits on the town board, which is also named in the lawsuit. Charlie Todd describes Mr. Hurley as his direct competitor. He also questions why Bradley Farms is allowed to hold several holiday events without having to face the same code requirements as Chamberlain Acres. Mr. Hurley told us he could not comment on litigation, but said, quote, as you know, the truth usually exists somewhere between all sides. Jackie?
All right, thank you, Nick. Definitely keeping an eye on that story.